Morning guys, just messing about with this Kwikset Deadbolt front door lock that I picked up yesterday. Believe it or not, it's the first ever Kwikset lock that I've picked. Just never got round to picking a Kwikset yet. There's the bitting on the key. Let's see how it holds up to bobby pins. Now I've picked it once, so I got a bit of a heads up as to what's going on in there. But I've got a short memory, so good timing. Expect the mailman's outside. Peanut doesn't like him. There we go. That was a bit quicker. Good old bobby pins winning again. Alright, before you go guys, if you would like to enter my giveaway, I'll put a link in the description to take you to the video for the giveaway for a few things. I've got 4 entries so far: Keymaster, Washington State Picker, William Mansell and Pick a Winner. So you guys at the minute have got a 1 in 4 chance, which is pretty good odds. But anyone that wants to enter still has plenty of time. Just got to have your video entry in by the 7th of July. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Catch you later.